Want to change the master password in KeePassXC? Your master password protects your entire password database, so updating it from time to time can help improve the security of your stored information. In this guide, I'll show you how to change the master password in KeePassXC step by step. Let's get started. First, launch KeePassXC and unlock the password database whose master password you want to change. Enter your current master password to open the database. Next, click the Database menu and choose Database Security, or the equivalent security option available in your version of KeePassXC. This section lets you manage how your database is protected. Now choose to change the master password. Enter your new password, then type it again to confirm it. Using a long, unique, and memorable password helps keep your database more secure. If available, review the password strength indicator before continuing. Once you're satisfied with your new master password, save the updated database settings. KeePassXC will re-encrypt your password database using the new master password. From this point forward, you'll need the new password whenever you unlock the database. Finally, close the database or restart KeePassXC, then open the database again using your new master password. If the database unlocks successfully, your master password has been updated. And that's how to change the master password in KeePassXC. Keeping your master password strong and updating it when needed helps protect your password database and the sensitive information stored inside it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.